Julia, wait please. Yes? Oh, Sarah. How are you? I'm good, and you? Me too. So what are you doing here? Nothing, I've just finished my work and have some free time. Shall we go shopping together? I'm not sure. I have to finish my project. Maybe next time. So why don't we go to the cafe and talk about your project? Yes, that's a good idea. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Here we are. Yes, finally. So, let's drink some soda. Or maybe not. You know, I'm on a diet. I just can't. I see. What about drinking some coffee? Yes, I'd love to. Thank you. Okay.